Hey, hey,
Hey,
I like making noise like a little female. If they hit my soft spot, I'm like, yeah, yeah, oh, I'll be making
Well,
noise like,
with me, like with my lady and things like that, I don't be talking. But I don't know, for some reason I was she caught me like whispering. I'm like, God damn it. She like, what? What'd you say? And I kind of always like timid and shit. And she like, what'd you say? I said, God damn, that shit is good. She like, what? Said it again. I'm like, what? I'm like, yeah, that shit was good as fuck. And she started throwing that shit back. I'm like, oh shit. Okay. I'm like, now I'm gonna be talking. I'm gonna be more, a little bit more spiritual. You know what I mean? I'm gonna be more dialect coming out of my tune, bro. When I'm hitting it, but me when I'm about to bust it, that's when I become like, you know what I mean? Very, I could be catching the Holy Ghost and shit. You heard? If
yes,
it's real.
yes,
Yeah.
I'm with you too. I gotta make more noise because if women want to hear noise, my baby, I'll make noise for you. Cause yes, I'll make noise for you, my baby. We all come make noise. Hey, I think Mike would talk that much because he don't talk.
Romeo, that nigga is the that's when he talked the most, bro. I was like, but he do the whole purpose. Come and do it for me, baby. Like he doing the shit. What's that shit? What is that called? Like he's like represent for your hood. I'm like,
oh,
what?
stacking like gangs, like
Yeah,
throwing.
like not the shit, the L shit them women be doing. Like doing. I'm like, what the fuck is he doing?
Mike, what is that?
She did it to me when I was in the club, so I did it back when she was getting tossed up. That's all.